What's next?
Ball, brown, bag, with bee.
Good. Can you read the sentence? Good job.
Yay.
What's the C line?
Cat,
Say it louder.
cat, car, car.
Sound it out. Sound it out. You can do it. What is it?
Cat.
Yeah. Good job. It's okay. What's the last one? Good job. Can you read the sentence? All right. All right.